Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today, as you see the ingredient that we have here, we're going to do some pesto pasta. Here in this bowl I have spinach, and also basil. If you don't like spinach, then you don't have to use it. And this is Alfredo cheese. This is 2 packs of Alfredo cheese, and also you will need olive oil. The olive oil I'm gonna put in my blender. I'm gonna blend all these ingredients, and I'm gonna use the olive oil as liquid. Also, here is my spaghetti and my bay leaf. The bay leaf I will put in my water to boil my pasta, so give the pasta a nice little flavor. Yes, so guys, that's it. These are the ingredients that you need for your pesto pasta. Also, you could use pine seeds to put in there if you do like pine seeds. So guys, this is what it looks like after finished blend, and this we're gonna add to our spaghetti and combine. And yes guys, this is it. So guys, here I had the spaghetti in. I'll leave them as they are. Just leave them like this, and they will go down by themselves as soon as they become softened by the water. Yes guys, as you can see, they're already going down. So guys, that's my bay leaf swimming on top. So I will allow this to cook. So guys, this is what it looked like when I'm through with it. This is it guys. Yes guys, this is it. So guys, here you go. This is the finishing product. Serve it up with some tomatoes and a piece of beef. So yes guys, I hope you do enjoy this video, and please guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this and if you will be trying it.